Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need you, you know my name, you better respect it. Put some respect on it. Woo. You ain't the only pretty girl I was having sex with. I had Keisha, Trina. Woo. How you gonna leave me? I've been left. It feels so. 6 months ago I started messing around with your BFF.
My hair's a fucking mess. What is up, guys? So today I've gotten a lot of requests for these, and here's your video. I'm here to show you how to store space motherfucking jams. So I got a lot of requests how I made these icy, and honestly I'm surprised by the results. So I have been working on this since July, so I hope you guys appreciate how much effort I put into this. So let's get started. So the first step is to remove the shoe from the sole, and the best way to do that is you get either a heat gun or a hair dryer, and then you just heat it around the whole thing. And once you've done that, you remove it, and then you remove the glue from the sole and this thing. And how to do that is that you get acetone and a heat gun. You heat it first, then you put some acetone in, which I have done already. And the reason why you have to do this is because some parts of it becomes yellow. For example, the inside. And this is one reason. The glue also becomes yellow over time, so you have to take that out. This has worked, and I can prove it. Just watch till the end. And yeah, so on to the next step. As you can see, I'm removing the glue with acetone. And then after that, once you're done, you get your hydrogen peroxide, and then hydrogen peroxide is the most active ingredient in the sauce. So the higher percentage in sauce, the better. Anyways, the perfect way to apply this is that you apply a thin layer. You don't have to flood it with a lot of sauce. All you need to do is just enough for it to be covered by the whole thing. After that, you put some sarin wrap, and then you go to the other side of the shoe. I know not other people don't do this, but I do this. I think it's better because also the inside yellows, so there's that. You put some sauce also in the inside, not too thin. Don't forget not to hit that. Don't hit that Jumpman logo ever. So, or else it'll become white also. So after that, yeah. So once you're done putting the sauce and covering it in sarin wrap, it's now time to put it out in the sun for about 30 minutes or an hour, which are the best sessions. You repeat this process till your soles become white and icy. Also, something I forgot to mention, not all shoes have to get their soles removed. So, for example, the metallic 5s, you don't have to do that, but this is my advice. Another thing, put some aluminum foil in it, so light will reflect better onto the shoe. And I think now that I'm done putting it out in the sun, let's come back in about an hour. Basically, this is how the rubber becomes yellow. When over time the rubber will oxidize,
and that is due to UV radiation, water, oxygen, and it naturally does that. How do you prevent it from happening? One, there's sauce. Two, there is using those silica gels. Those stop the oxidation. And the best way to stop that is using sauce. Now your sauce has to be really strong. It has to be 40% or higher if you can get it any higher, or 12%. Man, it's fucking hot. How do I get this sauce? You can't get it easily. You need a license for it because hydrogen peroxide is very, very dangerous, and you could make a bomb with it. That's why they don't ship it. Now, to get the sauce, you need a license, and I have that license. So if ever you want my sauce, I can help you and I can give it to you. So just PM me on Facebook, DM me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll hit you up. Basically, this is how the hydrogen peroxide works. When UV rays hit the hydrogen peroxide, it'll trigger the chemicals to work and make it whiter. So the stronger the UV ray, the stronger the percentage of your hydrogen peroxide, the better it'll work. So we can do that. What I did was I lay it out in the sun because it's the strongest version of UV rays. At night, I use an ultraviolet light bulb and then do it overnight and repeat the process again and again. The best way to do it is you get a lot of coating and then you just keep putting and putting and putting and putting until it gets the whitest that you can get. Usually, this also works for other sauces, but the problem is it's not that fast. It isn't as strong, the percentage of hydrogen peroxide it has. So that's my best advice. Anyways, I think we're done waiting for the sauce, and we gotta put another layer. So I'll update you guys, and then I'll show you guys the final result. So I'll see you guys. Bam! So this is the first coating. As you can see, it's pretty strong. I mean, compared to a while ago. Like, look at the center, it's already clear. So there's that. So let's do another coat, and then yeah. So we are at the last part now. I already cleared it, and it got really, really icy. So there's that, which is good. So now all we have to do is stick it, and I'll be using a regular shoe adhesive that's clear. I'm sure you can find one at any hardware store. I think Ace Hardware has those here in the Philippines. So yeah, good luck to you guys. what is up. If you guys want more videos like these, hit that like and subscribe button. And I know you guys got me. Comment down below if you guys have any more suggestions, any more questions, and I'll gladly answer. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, yo.